Hello students, I am Professor Shyamphul Pagare. Welcomes you in another video lecture on chapter Simple Stress and Strain. So today we will discuss more problem on punching stress. So I am reading the statement of the numerical here. A force of 32 kilonewton is required to punch a circular hole of 40 mm diameter in a plate 2 mm thick. Okay, so a force of 32 kilonewton. So this is the plate which is having thickness 2 mm and this is your punch. So you have to apply the force from this upper direction. Okay, so as the direction of force P is towards the punch, so that force will be the compressive one, and the force which is present at this circumference of the hole is known as the shear force. So in this case the value of compressive force and shear force both are the equal. Okay, so this is your shear force and this is your compressive force. Then calculate the compressive stress developed in the punching rod and shear stress in the metal plate. Okay, so when we are use punching rod to punch the hole in a plate, what happens, there are two types of stresses are generated. Okay, so when the load which is applied at the head of the punch is called as the compressive load, and the compressive stress which is developed is calculated as compressive load upon the area on which this load is acting. So that load is acting on the diameter of punch rod. So in that case you will calculate the compressive stress as the force P upon area of this punching hole or punching rod, diameter of punching rod. Okay, and in case of shear stress you have to consider the shear load. So formula for shear stress is shear load upon area. So in that case shear stress calculated as shear force P upon area, that is the area of this circumference into the thickness. Okay, so let us try to solve the numerical. So first I will write down the given things. So the load P is given, which is 32 kilonewton. So convert that into the Newton. So 32 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Then to punch a circular hole of 14 mm in diameter. So diameter of circular hole and diameter of punch is same. Okay, so that diameter is denoted by D, which is nothing but the 14 mm, 14 mm, and thickness of plate is T, which is 2 mm. And calculate, we have to find here, to find first shear stress and then compressive stress. Okay, so compressive and shear. Okay, so compressive stress, which is denoted as sigma, and shear stress, which is denoted at letter tau, or you can say Q. Okay, so solution is here. So we know for the compressive stress sigma C stands for the compressive stress. So sigma C is equal to compressive load upon area. So compressive load is 32 kilonewton. So put the value of load 32 into 10 raised to 3. Okay, remember in case of compressive force you have to take this area. This area is calculated as pi by 4 d square. So this is pi by 4 into d square. Okay, so now put down the value of d, 32 into 10 raised to 3 upon pi by 4 into diameter is 14, so 14 square. So after making this calculation we get the value of compressive stress as 207.87 Newton per mm square. This is the unit for the stress. Okay, now we calculate the shear stress. Okay, so for the shear stress, what is the formula? Shear stress tau is equal to shear force upon shear area. So look at here, the force which is compressive and force which is shear, both the forces are same. Okay, so shear force is considered at this circumference and compressive is considered at this head of the punch. Okay, so in this case shear force is also the equal to the compressive force, so this will become 32 into 10 raised to 3. Okay, so now in case of area, suppose when we drill or when we punch a hole, so suppose this type of material we will remove from the plate. Okay, so this area we have to consider as a shear stress. So this area, whole area. Okay, so if this is the diameter of D and this is suppose thickness, then this area after developing this disc, you will get the area like this way. So in this way, this is your length, which is nothing but pi d, which is the circumference of the circle, and this is the thickness. So in this case, what is the area? That is pi d into t. So putting the value of diameter d and thickness d, 32 into 10 raised to 3 divided by pi into diameter 14 into thickness 2. So after making this calculation, we will get the value of the shear stress as 363.8 Newton per mm square. So this is the value of shear stress. Okay, so in this way we calculated both the values, shear stress as well as compressive stress. Okay, so this is the next numerical. I am reading the statement of this. Okay, okay, so given things I am write down here. Okay, so sigma c, which is nothing but 800 Newton per mm, thickness of plate is 10 mm, and shear stress is 300 Newton per mm square. And what we have to calculate? We have to find out the diameter of hole which is punched into the plate. So that is denoted by the letter small d. So we have to calculate the diameter d. Now solution. So in this numerical, load is not given and the diameter d we have to calculate, and both the stresses are given. Okay, so first we will calculate the shear stress in the form of diameter d. Okay, and then using formula of shear stress we will calculate the diameter. Okay, so we know compressive stress sigma c is equal to load upon area. Okay, so in this case, what is the formula of area? Okay, remember, when there is a compressive force, we have to take the area as pi by 4 d square. Okay, so in this numerical, what happened? Sigma c is equal to p upon a. So p is nothing but sigma c into a, which is nothing but sigma c 800 multiplied by the pi by 4 into d square. Okay, so this is the value of p. Okay, now so I calculated here value of p is equal to, now simplify this value, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so 200 is here, so 200 into pi into d square. Okay, so this is the value of p. Now shear stress is equal to shear load upon area and put this value of shear stress load in this numerical, and we will get the value of D. Okay, then value of shear stress is equal to P upon A. So in this case, formula for area is pi into D into thickness T. Okay, and putting the value of P, so equation will be, here is 200 into pi D square upon pi into D into T here. Okay, so pi will get cancelled here, so 1D is also get cancelled. Okay, so this equation become, this T is going to multiply to the shear stress. Okay, so 200 D is equal to tau into small t, so D is equal to tau into T upon 200. So value of tau is nothing but, which is given in the numerical as shear stress 300, thickness is given as a 10, and this is your 200. Okay, so make this calculation, this 2 0 will get cancelled here, so 2 here is a 5, and diameter D is nothing but it is 15 mm. Okay, so in this way we calculate the value of D over here. Okay, so in next lecture we will discuss important topic, which is axial deformation of a bars in various or varying cross section which are connected in a series. Okay, so until then, okay, stay safe, stay home, and take care. Thank you.